Netfix is back with another episode. Stick around today to see how to swap your tires over, the do's and don'ts, and some tips and tricks you probably don't know. Welcome back to another video with DK Hatch Daily. So we're going to go ahead and take the winters off just to prevent wear throughout the summer. I want to keep my winter tires as good as possible for next winter, and I went ahead and bought this cheap pair of rims and tires off of a 2001 Coupe Civic, I think it was. Go ahead and have a look at those, and I'll explain a couple of things and problems that I ran into while I got these. So let's do that.
Look at all these cool parts. Cobb. Nishimoto.
Alright, we're at the trunk of the car. My car is an absolute mess. Sorry for that. I work out of this thing. I do everything out of this thing. What's this? Future parts for the Subaru. Let's get those out of here. As you can see, here's the rims I ended up going with. They're a little dirty, but I'm sure they'll clean up nice. I went ahead and got new tires for the fronts of the vehicle. One of them had a flat and it was just worn out and really shitty, so I decided to get 2 new tires and put them up front. The other 2 I just left. They're not the greatest tires, but I mean, it's a daily, it's a cheap daily. It'll be good enough. We'll go ahead and unload these and get them ready to put on. So we got the wheels all off. We're gonna go ahead and prep all the hub surfaces first. We're gonna use a wire brush, just a rag, wipe it all down, get all the gunk off the hubs on the car, and then off the used wheels, we're gonna clean them up. They're pretty dirty. The guy at bought them off said they were just sitting there for quite a while, so they've collected some gunk on them, so we're gonna go ahead and clean them up. Now that we got those all cleaned off with the wire brush, we're just gonna take some fluid film or rust protection or preventative, and we're just gonna put a little small bit on your hub surface. Try not to get it on your threads, and you just wanna go ahead and put a very thin film of it on here just to help prevent some of that future rust buildup. We'll go ahead and do that on all 4 of the hubs. Start working on the wheels next. Alright, we got the tire hub surface cleaned. We got the hub on the vehicle cleaned up and lubricated with the fluid film to prevent rusting. So up next, we're just going to go ahead and put the wheels back on.
Pump them up, pump them up.
Alright guys, that's the swap. We got the fresh Summers on, torqued those to 80 foot-pounds, and we pumped up the tires to 30 psi in the front and 29 psi in the back, just for optimum fuel efficiency and good drive. What's coming up next? For the EK Daily, we're gonna be doing spark plugs. I'm gonna be taking the valve cover off and wrinkle coating that actually, just to freshen up the engine bay a bit. And I did go out and get some really cheap headers that were off of an SI, I believe. I've painted those up and we're gonna put those on as well and try and make this thing sound a little more mean. So make sure you stick around for that. Like, subscribe, drop a comment if you like what you saw here. If you don't, do that too. We love the feedback. We wanna see what you guys are thinking of these videos. And stick around for the next one. This is coming soon.